Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Xiaomi 12. First, I have to tell you that the free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. At the very beginning, open to ip.io website. This site shows how all websites show to ip.io. To ip.io. These sites show how all websites see your location. In my case, it's Poland, and it's true. But now, only open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. This application has 100 million downloads. Click open, click agree and continue. Wait a while, click on the cross on the left top corner and just click on the card on the home screen of the app. By clicking on the card you will be connected to the nearest and fastest server and it will work great. So now just open to ip.io website to check your VPN, reload the page, and as you can see I am in the United States now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.